Organizing your thoughts, the key to SAT and ACT essays. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the crucial skill of organizing and outlining ideas for the essay section of your SAT and ACT tests. An organized essay not only reads better but also shows the examiners that you can structure your thoughts coherently. So, let's get started. An outline is like the blueprint of your essay. Before constructing a building, architects plan every floor, every room. Similarly, before writing your essay, it's a great idea to plan out what you're going to say and in which order. 1. Efficiency. It helps you write faster during the test since you have a clear direction. 2. Coherence. Your essay will have a logical flow from one idea to the next. 3. Coverage. Ensures you cover all the points you intend to without missing out. The first step is to brainstorm. Look at the given prompt and think. 1. What is the main topic? 2. What are the different perspectives on this topic? 3. Can you think of examples from literature, history, or your own experiences that align with these perspectives? Write down these thoughts in short, bullet points. Now, let's structure those ideas. 1. Introduction. This should briefly introduce your topic and provide a hint at your stance or thesis. 2. Body paragraphs. Typically, you'd want 3 of these. 3. Main idea. Start with the main idea of the paragraph. 4. Supporting details. Add 2 to 3 points that support this main idea. This could include evidence, examples, or reasoning. 5. Transition. Think about how this paragraph relates to the next and add a transitional sentence at the end. 6. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a new light. 1. Be concise. This is just a roadmap, not the full essay. Use keywords and phrases. 2. Stay flexible. If you find better ideas while writing, it's okay to deviate a bit from your outline. 3. Practice. The more you practice outlining, the faster and better you'll get at it during the actual test. There you have it. By organizing and outlining your ideas, you're setting a strong foundation for an excellent essay. Remember, every great writer starts with a plan. We hope this video helps you confidently tackle the essay section of your SAT or ACT. Best of luck, and keep practicing.